So I think, I hope I covered the things what I want to tell. If you have any other doubts, you can ask, or else let's proceed with the class. Any doubts, anyone? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just check out symbol.
Yes, sir.
Can draw?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, fine. So if there is any disturbance in my voice or any network issue, let me know. Okay. So today we'll start with your new subject. Is subject of your fourth semester called as signal. So it's subject code name 18EC45. Okay. So let's try to have some introduction today's class and overview of your syllabus. Then from next class onwards, we'll try to implement straight away on the board. So it's purely a problematic along with this control system also. So maximum we will try to solve on the board. So I hope you in the network analysis, we have a concept called plotting, right? I told you clearly how to do some signal plotting, delay part, advance part. Do you remember? Yes, sir. Do you remember, yeah? My voice is breaking, or is it audible? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So in the last semester, I told you that there is one complete subject called signal system where you're going to learn that sketching of signals in a better way. So that is what this subject is. Okay. So before going for the subject in detail, so let's overview your syllabus also. You can look at the syllabus here. So like other subject, this also having your credits 3 and you have 5 models. So model number 1 is a basics. So you have two categories here. One is called your signals, one more is called your system. But the advantage for your syllabus is they have kept complete syllabus of signals as one full question, that is for 40 marks. And system, they went to second module as 20 marks question, and they'll be having LT system, that is for 20 marks question. So if you understand the signals properly, so this first module will give you a clear foundation for your signal system topic. Okay. So first module signals will give you 40 marks. Systems will tell you 20 marks in module number 2. So then there is something called as LT system, linear time variant invariant, that we'll discuss later. So just try to glance at things. Okay. So module 3 is a continuation of module 2. So LTA system, few topics have been added here. Along with this, there is a concept called Fourier. So this Fourier is again extension in module number 4. So you can see Fourier series, Fourier transform for 40 marks. And last module will be with respect to your Z transform. Have you went to this Fourier and Z transform in your mathematics?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there you went through with problematic. Here we will deal with respect to signal way. How we can verify your signal. So before going for this subject, so as we did in the last semester, I want you to maintain a separate notes for signal system and try to update things, what all things I asked you to write on the board whenever it is. Okay. So definitions may carry theory part for 2 to 6 marks, and maximum you can expect problems only here, like networks theory. Okay. So don't depend only on theory. It's a mixture of theory bit and problems more. Fine. So 5 models, is it fine, guys, everyone? So module 1 basics, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5. So the flow will do 1, 2 and 3, and we'll go to model number 5. So once we finish Z transform, then let me come back to model number 4, because Fourier is a continuation. You can expect 60 marks from this Fourier topic that will keep at the end. So along with that, so this objectives and overcomes will deal once we go individual subject. I mean individual module. So is it fine till here? Shall we proceed with our introduction class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you forget about this technical syllabus, what all things you have. So you put a break to your word or a subject name to signals separate, system separate. So let's try to analyze individually. What is the meaning of a signal according to you? Say I want the class to be interactive one. So if it is interactive, learn the things in a better way. So we are not able to get the offline class where we can have more interaction and more conversation and more facial expression will come to know whether you're understanding or not. Since it is online, there is no option. I want the interaction from everyone. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can anyone tell me what is a meaning of the word signal? You don't worry about any definition. Just tell me in general what is the meaning of a signal.
Quantity which carries some amount of information, sir.
Good. So any quantity which carries some amount of information. So I want that last word what your friend told. Information. So information can be a signal.
Yes, sir.
Good. If you have information with you, what you will do? So you have information with you, what you will do?
Perform some operations.
Perform some operations to get what?
A desired output.
Very good. To get the desired output. Correct? Huh? So now the question is the signal, the information what you have. It can be anything. So different types of input signal we can perform. What all different types of input information we can give? In terms of text, in terms of image, in terms of audio, in terms of video, possible or they're not?
Yes, sir.
So you have some message with you. So take simple example WhatsApp. So assume that Jayant want to send a WhatsApp message to Bharat that tomorrow are you coming to college? What is the procedure, Bharat?
First, I will select my phone number, sir,
Good.
and then he will start messaging me.
Okay.
And after some time, I will receive the messages, sir.
Good. So now can you sync this scenario to my input output and system? Which is the input now? What is the input? So Jayant is the sender now, right? He is having a message. What type of message is having?
Text.
Text message. Very good. So what is the message consisting of? Are you coming to college tomorrow? That is a message. So that is the input signal. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what is
sir.
the medium? What is the media you are using? WhatsApp. So through WhatsApp he is sending a message and it has received at the receiver, that is Bharat. Once you see the message, you can see the acknowledgement back. That is in the form of whether it's going to come or not. Agree? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So input signal, output signal,
Yes, sir.
and WhatsApp. So these are the three main categories. So can you interlink this with the thing input signal, output signal, and a system? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನ್ರೋ?
Yes.
See, input may be anything as we told. That is the input, what I have. I need to send. How we are sent? Through a media called WhatsApp. Can I call that media as a system now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So is it happening signal input? You got the output also a signal via system.
Yes, sir.
So is it fine everyone? Have you got what I'm telling or trying to understand you? See, before learning any subject, first have its application. What is the purpose of learning the subject? Then where it is implemented exactly. then you understand the subject in a better way. You should know the real-time applications. We already went through this, but we don't know that this is control system, this is signal system. That's all. That is what you're trying to learn here. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So everyone got the scenario what we told. So input is given. See, without a system, I can't analyze my output. Agree na?
Yes, sir.
That is what we want to learn now, right? So you can see the input is given. The type of input may be anything. It may be text, voice, audio, video, whatever it is. You want some medium to pass it through output, right? So this is just a set. Yeah, is it visible? Slide is visible here? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see here input is given. I got the output, but for what I should give the black box, what you can see is called as a system. So if the system is not there, how will you analyze your input output? Is it possible to analyze input and output without system?
No, sir.
That is the meaning or a interlink of signals and system. See, without system, there is no meaning for signal and vice versa also. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So you can see a system is given here. So this system may be anything, any combination of any physical connected components which give you a output. Okay, I leave or go? Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
So I hope everyone got the meaning of input means what, output means what, system means what. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me move further. So next question comes, what is a difference between your normal system to your control system? So you can see the left hand side is your signal system subject, right hand side is your control system subject. So here only we will come to know what is a simple difference between both the subject. Can anyone tell me what is the difference? By looking at diagram, you can tell me. The clear picture is given there. Yeah, anyone?
Sir, in the first one, like in normal system, we don't have we don't have a control over the output signal,
Good.
but in the control system, we can get the desired output, whatever we want.
Good. One example. If you give example, then it will be better to understand for everyone. Correct? Huh? Any example from anyone? Yeah, everyone are you able to understand what we're doing till now? Any difficulties to understand?
Sir,
Let me
like
know.
we
Yeah.
can give that example, like for normal sugarcane crushing machine, sir. Like
Okay.
in normal machines, if we give the sugarcane from this side, only the proper juice comes out from the other side, sir.
Very
But
good.
in
Yeah.
automated machines, we can add salt, pepper, lemon, something, whichever
Yes.
is desired if we program accordingly. So I'll get
Okay.
the output as well.
Okay. Good. Okay. Good example. So we'll take a basic example. So everyone using fan, right, in your room? Fan.
Yes, sir.
So assume that there is a switch. I am not talking about any regulator or a remote now. I'll just worry about my input switch and fan is there. That's all. So if you have a switch and fan, is it an example for first or second one?
Second one.
Is it called control system? I'm telling again, I stress the word. I don't have any regulator for the fan or a remote for the fan. I am just having a switch and a fan with me. That's all. Is it an example for first one or second one?
First one.
First one.
First one. Okay, let me come to the scenario now. So everyone use the fan, right? You forget about regulator. I'm stressing, forget about regulator. So what is the input? What is the system? What is the output from that first example? What is the input? All have got the scenario what I'm asking? I'm audible here. Yeah, Ananya, you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the scenario we talked here? I told switch is there, fan is there. So your friends told it is an example for first category. The first diagram what is visible on the screen, right? So my question is, from this example, what is the input, what is the system and what is the output? Input in raw,
Switch, sir.
which means your 230 volt supply. Correct? Sarinappa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this scenario, AC supply, that is your switch, is a input. What is system?
Fan.
Fan is a system. Good.
Fan.
What is the output now?
Rotating.
Rotation.
Rotating output.
Air.
Air coming.
Airflow is output, right?
Air, sir.
Fan ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ ತಿರುಗಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? You switching on the fan to see how it rotates? How it generates the airflow, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So input is AC supply, that is a switch. System is a fan, and I am going to get a output that is flow of air. Airflow is the output. So this is an example for your first category. Sarina? Okay, Nalivargo. Done till you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now for the same example, I'm just changing slide thing. Understand clearly. Switch is there, system is fan. So in the fan, I am going to remove the blades. So I have cutted the blades of a fan. Now tell me, are you getting the output?
No.
Output ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Air flow ಇರುತ್ತಾ blades ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
No,
No,
sir.
No, sir.
So fan without blade is not called as a proper output. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts anyone till this scenario? Is it fine, guys? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now what output you got from the first example is called as a proper output. Means switch is there, fan is on, it is rotating, airflow is happening. Assume that the temperature is around 50 degree, but your fan speed is not enough for you to generate the airflow. So then what you want? What you want? Then you want more airflow for you, right? Temperature is high means we expect more airflow to happen through a fan. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But we are not getting with the first category. So there should be something which makes this thing to happen. There comes a control system. I don't have any control of my fan or the swing of the blade in my first example. To overcome this, I am using some regulator or a remote where I can operate my fan and I can increase the speed. Am I controlling them? Yes or no? I'm not getting response. Yes or no, yaar?
Yes, sir.
So what output you got now? Is it called as a desired output? What I wanted, am I achieved? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the first example is a clear example of your signal system subject, and second example is a clear picture of your control system subject. I hope you got the difference between both subjects, what you're learning.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. So I hope I made things clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So still you have doubts. what is the meaning of a proper output to a desired output? See, the simple example will tell you clear difference between both the subjects also. Is it fine, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay, Tilia? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then comes your signals. So I told you clearly, signals is separate, system is separate, but both are interlinked to each other. So according to syllabus, they have made you to understand completely what is a signals for 40 marks. Then they'll be dealing with systems for 20 marks separately. Okay, na? So shall we move on to signals topic now?
Yes, sir.
Feeling hungry? No answer means what I should think. Yeah, I asked you people only. How many are there? 40 are there. All 40 are active or deactive? All are sleeping?
Sir, there is voice break.
Voice breakup, Shreyas?
No, sir.
Is it fine? Any doubts, anyone till here? So I hope you got the difference between output to a desired output. Am I clear till here?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we proceed for 10 more minutes? Okay.
Sure, sir.
Proper output to your desired output. But we are thinking about proper output in NT. Sarina? Correct, Ananya? Audible?
Yes, sir.
Correct. What a sir is expecting is desired output,
Yes,
but
sir.
what we are expecting is proper output, sir. Sari and Raw.
Yes, sir.
See, just interlink the example, that's all. So slide is visible. Slide is visible, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The
You
introduction.
can look at the things what you already went through. So signals means any variables that carry information. So that information may be anything as we discussed, maybe text, maybe audio, video, or combination of that, not a problem. Okay. Then a function, it is described by a function of one or more independent variables, right? And it is basically a physical quantity and it varies with some independent and dependent variables, and signals can be one dimension or multi-dimension also. So these are few basic things what we need to remember whenever we deal with signals. Is it fine with this? Information, it is going to carry, it is independent with two or more variables, it is a physical quantity which varies with some dependent independent variables, and it can be 1D or multi-dimensional also. Is it fine? Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can look at the signal definition what we discussed already. It's same thing. You can look at the examples here. So V of t, I of t, X of t, heartbeat, blood pressure, temperature, vibration. So is it all a part of signals? Have you went across this, everyone? Have you went across all this or not? How a heartbeat is detected? Can you see the heartbeat? Can you see the heartbeat? Yeah, repeat. Someone wrote something, right? Pardon? You're telling something, I'm not audible here. Be loud what you're telling.
ರಮೇಶ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಹುಷಾರಾಗವ್ರ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಗೀವಿಡ್ ಬಂದದ
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ
ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ
ತೋರ್ಸ್ಕೊ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
Yes, Chetan. You are in the class or you outside, man? USN 32. Okay, fine. Others. Let me share out this. Yeah. Bhargavi, you are there?
Yes, sir.
So have you seen the heartbeat? Can you see the heartbeat is a question.
No, sir.
Come on, guys. Can you see the heartbeat? Where are all here? What, Jayant?
We could just sense it, but we could just plot.
Can you see or can you sense?
Sense.
Sense.
We can sense it.
Yes, we can sense. See, there is a difference between seeing and sensing. Correct, huh? So if you want to see how the heartbeat is going to happen, you need to face or fix one device. So I hope you have seen ECG machine.
Yes, sir.
So ECG ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ? So how the ECG will, our heartbeat will vary ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
So what is that? So heartbeat is your input signal. Can you link this example to input, output and system?
Sir, input will be taken.
Input will be analog. Right? Heart beating is analog. Correct? Huh? Okay. System is your what?
System is the sensing element, sir.
Sensing element which they are going to place on our body. Correct? Huh? And output is displayed on the CRO.
Yes, sir.
I think everyone seen at least in movie, right? So if patient is admitted to ICU, so there is a variation in the blood pressure. If it is constant line, if it is linear line, what it tells?
Man is dead.
They are dead, sir.
Correct, na? So see, we can't see the things, what variations is going to happen, but we can sense it. But to see that there should be some device, that is what system does. I hope you got a clear picture now. See, if you go to doctor, how the doctor is going to test your blood pressure or pulse rate, he is going to hold a stethoscope. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Stethoscope to his ear and to your heartbeat or to pulse. He can sense, he can't see. Correct, na? So
Yes,
can I
sir.
tell that stethoscope is acting as system now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
hope everyone got a clear picture. What is the meaning of signals and a system? So how the heartbeat or a pulse rate is an example for signals. Is it fine till there? Is it fine till there?
Yes, sir.
So same way, blood pressure, temperature, vibration, everything comes to picture. Then we told something called as one-dimensional and two-dimensional. So one-dimensional means what? Single variable. So we can tell speech signal. So is a one-dimensional example. So similarly, if I say multi-dimensional, which has more than 2 or 3 variables, I can tell image as an example for that. Image means what? It involves what? Can image be a multi-dimensional? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if I say color image, it is made up of RGB, red, blue and green. So this 3 color is a combination of remaining color. You know this? RGB is a main factor for remaining color. Yes or no? If you don't know, just remember the combination of red, green and what? Blue is what the mixture of other color comes to picture for you. So image is a part of that. So we can tell it as a multi-dimension. So is it fine with the first 3 points what we discuss. Signal means what? Example. One dimension means what? Multi-dimension means what? Is it fine, everyone? Shall we move on? So let's end with this last slide. So you can look at the examples, different types of signals, what you can see. So electrical signals, what you learned in your network theory, the voltage and current in a circuit. So then you'll be dealing with your acoustic signal like audio, video, then completely on biological and a noise, unwanted signals also. So all these signals you went through, we just don't know how it is looking. That's it. Is it fine till here? Everyone, is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll end with that. So I just want to tell something. So when you come for tomorrow's class, so I want everyone to make a difference between analog signal and digital signal. You got the question? Difference between analog signal and digital signal with your own examples. Whatever examples you take, it's left to you. So I'm going to start the class tomorrow with a glance of the thing what has happened today. Then difference between analog and digital. See, if you know the difference between analog and digital, then only you can understand the signal system clearly. Am I clear? Am I clear? Everyone, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So tomorrow I want everyone